I don't know where all this is from. There's a carpet of that, isn't there? Yeah, look, it's everywhere. Right, we've come to another wood near Bawtry. It's looking quite dead, to be fair, with wind we've had and sun. It's just pure dried out. Yeah, look, it's just full of pine trees in here. Yeah, it's bad, isn't it? Oak ferns have died off, look. I don't know if you can see that tree in distance. Yeah, look. It's just dried it up and killed it all, hasn't it?
Yeah.
That one's gone and all. Used to be stunning in here. Oh, crazy. Yeah, look. All died off. I came in here last winter and all I could hear were cracking and trees falling. I was like, yeah, I'm gone. Yeah, it's everywhere, isn't it, look? We were passing, we've just been to go outdoors, so we thought we'd pop in and have a look. Yeah, they're dead now, look. Yeah, I won't be coming in here in winter doing night walks. I'll get crushed. Well, there's just trees absolutely everywhere on the floor. Well, at least it's cooler. Whoa. Honestly, you start hearing cracks, it scares you. This one's down, look. Yeah, everywhere. Crazy. Look at that bendy one there, look. Yeah, you can hear him squeaking up there. Hey up, bud. We'll have a little walk round anyway, we're not going too far. I have made another channel for night walk, so if you want to head over to that channel, drop me a comment and I'll give you a link. That's just basically for woodland walks at night and stuff like that. I'm going to keep this channel for just day walks, I think, because the algorithm don't like mix. Look at this here. This one's been down a long time, this one. No, you wouldn't want to come in here in wind, would you? Yeah, crazy. A lot of these trees seem to have woodworm or whatever it is, which might be killing them. Wow. Bloody hell, that bird scared me then. I don't know, does anybody know why pine trees seem to be the main tree what collapses and falls? And there's another. This is a fresh one. It's cooled down, but it's still muggy. Look at this one, look, it's still got pine cones in it. Huh. I know, it used to be nice here and all. Oh God. Yeah. I mean, these ferns are still alive. Yeah. It's always pine trees though. Always. Oh yeah. You can see it lump here, look, coming up on the floor.
And that one there.
Yeah. They'll eventually go. This is the only place I won't come in winter, like I said. Especially when it's windy, sorry. What, this? I don't know. There's a lot of bendy ones, isn't there? That's another. Can't remember the name now. We'll have a look at lakes and then we'll walk back. Yeah. Right, we'll have a walk through here. Turn left and then we'll have a look at them lakes. Or at least one of them. See if water's down, it should be. Who's looking forward to autumn? Because I am. I think we've had enough to eat for now. Them blackberries don't look very healthy. Look at them. I won't be having any of them. All shrivelling up. These action fours are not very good for a close-up. They're alright for about 12 centimetres away, that's about it. Like this tree here. I don't think this is going to show you. It looks far. Say that tree there, look. It looks about 10-15 foot away. In reality, I'm there now. So it does show you longer distance. Yeah, crazy, look at it. Yeah. Yep. You can see through there. This camera won't show you because it looks like a mile away, but it's not. All them trees have died. It's like a bloody... What do you call them places full of sand? Desert, that's the one. That's the one. There's the one with burnt car down here as well. I think that's gone. Well, this is where they come on bikes. Motorbikes as well. I don't know who owns this. Yeah, it's like a desert. Yeah. It's still there. It's been there ages, that. Well, water doesn't look bad. Yeah, it's quite low. It looks dirty. Bud, don't be drinking that. You'll grow 10 legs. It'll probably turn into an octopus. Well, you've got your own little beach. Come on, bud. It'll not be too bad. Yeah, you've got your own little beach here, look. I can't see my screen at front. I've turned it off by mistake. Yeah, that's where that car was there. Yeah, but if you look on screen, it looks about 200 metres away, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's only there.
I know. It's very deceiving.
Yeah. Right, let's go and have a look here and then we'll walk back. Let me take the mic. There we go. You'll be able to hear me now. But yeah. At one time you could walk down here as well. But probably I've tried, it's all overgrown now. There's some mad stuff in here. It's a bit random, but there's like tins of sardines and look. Look.
Yeah.
Crazy. We'll head back anyway. I don't think you want to go any further, do you?
I think we can do. We're here.
Yeah. It'll be an extra long video, sod it. I'm sick of making short videos. We'll have a little look down here and see what we can see. Look at these here. Yeah. The only thing is when you talk, I won't be able to hear you. Not very often I'm on the other side at camera. Makes a change. But yeah, normally in here, it's all full of water. Yeah. Surprised there's no turtles in here. Got more flowers here, look, there's a bee on there. Do you want to say hello, bud? No, he's just going to sniff it. Probably heard that. Are they acorns? No idea what they are. Yeah. Point it wherever you want. I'm sure people would rather you point it at something rather than me. These are becoming quite popular nowadays in Wild. These cans of lager. They seem to be everywhere at the minute. Right, we'll stop it here and then we'll play it back when we come back. Right, I'm back. I'm back behind the camera where I belong. Look at this. I bet you any money there's turtles or terrapins in here. Guarantee it. Don't you go in there, bud, I can't swim. So when you go that way, it takes you to a dead end. I've been all around here with Bud. We can go this way and then go back round. There's no point going back down there now. If you're going to be able to get up here. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird walk, this one, isn't it? Yeah, be careful. Hold on to this tree. Hold on to there. I'll bring you back in a bit. We're back. This is way to other lake. It's not far. I just forgot my drink. Look at that one. Yeah, this is other lake now. I can hear some birds. It looks nice, this. Look at this. Yep. Nearly fell over. So yeah, if you're into night walks in woods and stuff like that, it's not going to be a fake scare, it's going to be just an eerie woodland walk. Whatever we see, we film kind of thing. So eventually I'll share a link on my channel. Because when I share night walks with day walks, it messes my algorithm up on here. So I've already got a few shorts on there and a video. But yeah, if you're interested in it, just got a comment below. Yeah. I don't know what's through here, I've never been through here. Hey bud. Or is it just an open field? Alright. Have you seen that corner there, that tree? I know. It's like it's been burnt, doesn't it? Yeah, just down here somewhere. I think it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone into the bushes.
Yeah. But yeah, there's a burnt tree there, look. Look at that. Yeah, we'll have a little adventure down here because we missed that deer. Yeah. It's so weird doing a night walk than a day walk. It messes your eyes up. So dry, look. Ouch, I've just been attacked by a tree. Now then. I think this were a bad idea. We're gonna have to go back through there, look. Otherwise we'll never get out. Look at... Yeah, I'm not going that way. Right. Oh, this feels weird, going through all these sticks. What the hell is that? Bloody hell, I thought it were a body. Gee. Bloody hell. I'm just making sure that weren't a body. Because it's going to bloody happen one day, innit? Can't get out. What the hell? Can you get out? Come on then, bud. Bloody hell, that was a bad idea. Right. Ugh. Yeah, we've just found somewhere. I'm not going to show you. Right, through here. Yeah. Right, we'll carry on round. Yeah, it's not very clean, is it? Yeah, it's this place will be very interesting to night walk, you know. But with what we found, there'll probably be people here. I think this will be a dodgy night walk, this. Dodgy. Here's another sight at lake. It don't look too bad, to be fair. If it weren't for people chucking out crap, it would be alright. Right, one last look before we go. Woody's trying to eat an old egg. I'll tell you what, if I do a night walk here, I ain't coming on my own. That'd be weird. Oh yeah, I always do. This looks nice and green. Yeah, not good, is it? Right, we're going to go up here, follow it round, and then get back into that wood and then get back to the car. And then I can try my torch out this week. Well, that's another tree damage, look, with fires. It's only a small one and all. I don't even know who owns this, you know. Yeah, we found a lot of clothing, haven't we, shall we say?
Yes.
A lot of clothing, a lot of
Cans.
cans, wine. So, socks.
Yes.
Obviously, you're not going to get no you're not going to get no swans and ducks here. Not a prayer. Oh, there'll be fish. Be natural fish. Look at this. Cans. Do you know what? I might be boring, but it's sad to see, isn't it? Every single woodland we go in, there's cat food here. Oh, it'll be pot fishing.
Yeah.
Every single woodland we go to,
Fishing line there.
yeah, it's just getting dirtier and dirtier.
This one is the worst.
Yeah. Ever since COVID, ever since lockdown, everyone's getting lazy. Honestly. It's like when you go down Lake now, they're chucking stones at old swans and that. And half at swans now have gone to fibre. I know. No one cares. No one cares about nature anymore either, or wildlife. There is people what do. It's like these. They've been there, Rose, 2 years. These cans. I think I might have to do a part 1 and part 2, you know. This is going to be a long video. I need to change my battery in a bit as well, that's running out. Because I'm filming in 60k, in 4K 60 frames. So it's going to destroy my battery. Clothes again, look, everywhere. Ooh. Yeah, it's bottles everywhere, cans, wine. Yeah, it's just trashed, isn't it? Trashed.
No clothing.
Yeah, it's water level's definitely down. Crazy, isn't it? I mean, we've seen some random clothing. Proper random.
Yes.
What you shouldn't be seeing. Bloody hell, look at this.
Don't tell me they're going to build here too.
No, they're just digging sand apparently. It's a gold mine for sand. Yeah. We found something rare in the wild. Oh, it's a Nasda bag. They're not rare, them. Look. I went to Melton Woods the other day, and there must have been 1,000 pool bags. What goes through the mind? It's like, if you're not going to pick it up, just leave it and let it rot away. Honestly, I don't know what. Let's have a nosy down here. Oh gee. That's a drop off. Go on this way, bud, you're not falling down there. Crazy. Come on then. Come on then. Nope, nope. Got someone following me. Seems to be following me in every video. Oops. There's another one down there, look. We're nearly back. Oh god, I don't know what, it's a motorbike. Just through there. Right, we've seen this bit, so I think I'm going to end the video here and get a couple of shots while I'm in.